Mulch is one of the last organic matters you talked about when you listed the three things: compost, biochar, and then a layer of mulch on top. Mm-hmm. So that's going to take a long time to decompose, I would imagine.
Yeah, so mulch is going to decompose much more slowly than like a cured compost that's put under the ground. So its purpose is really to replicate the natural forest floor. Most people in landscaping, they don't want your landscape to just look like the woods, right? So they'll put down like some kind of uniform mulch. It might be made of all the things that are naturally on the forest floor, but it's manufactured to be uniform and to look nice. So yeah, you put that down in a layer. 2 or 3 inches is plenty. You don't want to overdo it. Certainly don't want to make like mulch volcanoes and things like that. You just want like a nice flat layer, 2 to 3 inches. That's not touching any part of the tree or the exposed roots. That's going to slowly decompose. You'll probably need to add something like an inch every year to kind of make up for the rate of decomposition. But yeah, you'll be able to see it in place for multiple years before it kind of works its way into the soil and decomposes.